Let's go.
Every journey begins with the destination in mind, but sometimes it's the unexpected reflections along the way that leave the deepest impact. Lake Tyrrell, also known as the Pink Lake, is one of Victoria's largest saltwater lakes. Though the lake is dry for most of the year, the best time to witness its vibrant colors is during warm, wet periods when the shallow water covers the lake. The lake appears pink because of the algae and bacteria living in its salty water. These microorganisms produce a red pigment which gives the lake its pink color. Lake Tyrrell, a place where the sky meets the earth, where reflections create a world of wonder. But these reflections are more than just beautiful sights. They are reminders of the truths we often overlook. In the stillness of Lake Tyrrell, we found more than just a breathtaking view. We discovered a mirror that reflects not only the sky above, but also the depths within our souls. Life is full of moments that ripple through us, but like the water, we have the power to return to clarity. Clear thoughts lead to clear actions. Reflections help us understand our journey, appreciate our growth, and make peace with our past. Reflection is about patience. The lake's calm surface teaches us that in life, sometimes we need to be still to see things clearly. Reflection is about perspective. Standing on one side of the lake, we see one view. Moving to another side, the view changes. Life too is about perspective. Where you stand determines what you see. For the kids, the reflections were pure magic. They saw the world upside down, and in their innocent laughter, we found the lesson of joy. That sometimes the best way to see the world is through the eyes of wonder and curiosity. The beauty of reflection lies in its ability to show us both light and shadow. It teaches us to embrace every part of ourselves, the bright and the dark, the heights and the lows, because together they create the full picture of who we are. Reflections remind us to pause and look deeper. In the stillness, we find the clarity we need to navigate life's complexities. They teach us that what lies beneath the surface often holds the most profound beauty. In these reflections, we find not just ourselves, but each other, our family, our friends. They are the mirrors that reflect our true selves back to us. This trip, this moment, is a reflection of what truly matters. As the day ends and the reflections fade, we live with more than just memories. We live with a deeper understanding of life, of ourselves, and the importance of reflection. For in reflecting, we grow, we learn, and we find the beauty in every moment.